Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to reset home screen layout on Android including Samsung phone. So first of all, know that if you reset your home screen layout, this will remove all the widgets and app icons which you have set in your phone at the current time. So let's get started. So for this, you need to delete the launcher app storage. You just need to go to settings and navigate to app settings. Here, just search for One UI Home, or you can also search for it in the search bar. After you are in the app info of One UI Home, click on storage and click on clear data. Again, confirm it and you're done. Similarly, for other phones, you need to know the launcher app of your phone and you will easily be able to reset the home screen layout on your phone. It's similar to Samsung. Just go to app settings and search for your launcher. After that, just clear the storage data and you're done. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, do subscribe our channel and I'll meet you guys in the next video.